Again, like number 10 take for this video. Like I cannot stop myself to look in the side, or it's like kind of habit, like it's not comfortable, but I choose to talk in front of uh, my cell phone for video for my channel, and the goal is like kaizen, continuous improvement, like little doing a little good, like every day, to have like 1,000 videos, and this is part of my daily vlog that right now it's boring. It's not that interesting, but it's for myself. So even me, I want to look good, speak good in the video, like everyone that been a content creator, a blogger, and my English is Bisayalish. It's just for me, because sometimes in my head it was mixed with French, some Arabic, and like little Japanese, and some Hindi as well. Because I've been in Dubai, I've been OFW for like 15 years. But the story of this one will be like in the next episode, the next video. I just started like little by little. Don't be hurry. The time is so baby. So I will be like storytelling about my life, either interesting or no, but I will do kamay in French. I will do kamay. So that's it. So today I start my morning with meditation, like 30 minutes from like 5 o'clock to 5:30. It was 30 minutes, like to connect with the source, as I send in a lot of podcast. They will like suggest to have a meditation first when you wake up, like connect to the source, saying thank you, I'm alive for this day, thank you for this day. I'm not that spiritual. I just learn from some podcasts that I watch in YouTube and social media. Like when you wake up in the morning, you need to connect to the source, the source of everything, the God of the universe. So that's what I do today, and I do some exercise. It's important. By the way, it's been 1 month since I become 40 years old. So that's it. In the next video, I will talk a little by little with some of my story. Some of you there that seen this video maybe not that interested, it's boring. Even me, shout out to myself in like 5 years from now. It's been 2026 year. So shout out to you, what you will became. I just turned off the fan because I want the audio recording will be like good, because right now it's Friday night and mostly of our neighbor will have some karaoke, videoke. It was normal here, like Friday night, Saturday night, but Sunday night there's a few, but not the same in like Friday night, Saturday night. Almost of our neighbor, even us here, we will have some karaoke, even without drinking alcohol, just like sing. It's like culture, I may say. It's like because it's the way we celebrate the weekend. Some of our neighbor will go in some tourist spots here, or they will eat outside with the family. It's like that. So ever since I am a little kid, at my younger age, it was like that. So and see, I have some like post moment, like what I will say next. But I have some little information. Akaisen. So little by little, it will be good, I hope. But I am aiming for that. So after this video, I will do some like stretching, and then I will relax and sleep. And see you tomorrow. Thank you, self.